Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Realme phone Find My Device setting, and today video title is how to on Find My Device in Realme phone device. Friends, you want to on your Find My Device settings, and how can you on? You don't know in Realme phone how to on Find My Device. So friends, I am going to show you. I will tell you guys how to on Find My Device in Realme phone. First of all guys, open your phone setting to on your Find My Device setting. After on phone setting, we will scroll it. Friends, we will click on password and security. Guys, tap here. Friends, you can see this type of settings. Okay, how can you on your Find My Device? Friends, click on system security. Guys, second option Find My Device setting. Guys, tap here. Friends, you can see use Find My Device. Guys, you want to on, so you can on from here. So guys, Find My Device helps you locate this device remotely. If you lost this device, it also helps you keep your data safe. So like that guy, we can on Find My Device setting, and guy, we can use in our Realme phone device. So I hope friends, so you have understood how to on Find My Device. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.